The Archer and Olive Ticket to My Heart box finally came in today, and we're going to go through everything that came inside of here and unbox it. I did the full review video, which I'll link down below for you. But you know, it's more fun when you actually have the things in your hand to talk about, like, okay, this is how it looked in a photo, but this is how it looks in real life. Now, first thing is that this is a brand new packaging. It took me about 5 minutes to get into this box. Not because it was difficult, it's because I'm an idiot. I'm like a monkey with like a stick, basically trying to get into it. So it's self-sealed now, which I'm just so used to everything just kind of opening up. And I was like trying to rip it open, and finally it was like, bing, hey, I come open this way. First thing inside of the box is going to be the A5 size notebook. I really like the design of this, actually. It goes with the whole ticket carnival type feel that's going on inside of here, and the notebook is super nice as well. The notebook itself is this dusty blue cover, and then you're gonna have that gold foil print of that hot air balloon. This did have a lot more florals than I felt like I saw inside of the photos, but I wasn't looking up close, but totally cool because there's also going to be a pen holder inside of here. So if I really wanted to use this without having this icon on the front, I could just put the cover over top of it. Speaking of that pen holder, let's go ahead and check that out next. So this is a brand new item to Archer and Olive. So this is going to be a nice faux leather, kind of like a pebble cover here. It's gonna have elastic on the back. It gives off a very cool explorer feel. I'm very much about it, I love it. We'll be filling this up in just a few minutes. Let's go ahead and actually check out the Acrylographs next. So big fan of these colors that were inside of here. I'm gonna tell you, every time they come out with different ones, it's always hard for me to tell, like, okay, what colors are these? Would I actually use them? And these I definitely feel like I would. You're gonna have a set of 5 Acrylographs here with some pretty nice colors: Circus Red, Peach Fiesta, you've got Carnival Pink, a Vintage Blue, and a Jubilee Blue. I'm always looking for the pen names now on them, ever since they did it like a handful of times, but I feel like that might have been the specialty time and that we're not getting them all of the time, so time to break out that label maker. Now that we have these two things out, let's go ahead and see how well the Acrylographs fit into the pen holder. I gotta tell you that I'm pretty excited that they have this now. I feel like this is something really handy that you can have in any type of notebook. So this will hold the 5 Acrylographs inside of here. It's not super snug, but it definitely is gonna hold it together. Nothing's gonna be jingling around inside of there. I am curious though, like, could we fit other things inside of here? Let's go ahead and give it a try real quick and see. I'm thinking like, okay, anything that's the same size or smaller than the Acrylographs should totally be able to fit. So we could grab mild liner if you wanted to, that's smaller. You could grab yourself a pen. You could grab yourself a mechanical pencil if you wanted to, and then just like pop an eraser inside of here, and you're just good to go. Also inside of here, you're gonna have 4 new washies that are a part of this. I thought that these are really awesome looking as well. Maybe not a huge fan of every single one of them, and I might not use it in my bullet journal, but now that I've been using ink and stencils and stuff a little bit more and kind of holding things to the page, I have a lot more uses for my washi. The first one you're gonna see here is gonna be a traditional Archer and Olive, but you're gonna have a little pretzel on here because, you know, we gotta stick with that carnival theme. So looking very pretty here, I like that one a lot. You're also going to have the hot air balloon. This is gonna have hot air balloons and hearts and a nice kind of like light color there. I was actually really surprised how cool the glitter washi is. When I first saw this one, I thought it was gonna have like flaky glitter on it, but it's actually not at all. It's very smooth on top of here, very cool color that you got there. And then the one that I was looking for, and the one I'm most excited for, is the Carnival ticket one here. So this just has a bunch of little tickets on it. I just like the color and like how it looks. I can totally see myself using this inside of my bullet journal. All right, and last but not least, because there's so many things that are inside of here, a little nervous to open this up. This is the confetti popper, and then there's stationery prizes inside of it. So let's, oh, thank goodness. It's like opening a bomb, waiting for it to explode with confetti. So we have this little ticket holder here, guy, tassel here on the bottom. I'm gonna play it safe, and I'm going to pull the tassel and let all the stuff fall out into the box. Oh, this confetti is going to be everywhere. Now that we have this all inside this box, we can sort through. So inside of the box, you're going to find a handful of things. So there's 2 different types of stickers. So you have these carnival style stickers that are going to be in here. So you have things like popcorn with flowers. You have a ticket. I remember seeing a horse from like a carousel. And then you also kind of have this carnival ride here too. Now also inside of here, there's a few of these really cool ticket stickers. They're gonna say things like ticket to dream big, ticket to greatness, ticket to creativity, and then also the admit to me and you, And then for my most exciting part of this is actually also finding the metal page holders that are inside of here. So this is what I was actually probably most excited for as we went through here. So there's a handful of them that are going to be inside of here. There's one that's going to have a heart, one that has the hot air balloon. You have one that has a leaf on it, one that has like a botanical leaf on it. And there's also another one in here with a flower. One of these is going to have a star. I think what I liked most about these is that they're relatively subtle. They're not big or bulky, totally something you can use inside of your notebook. And also, if you didn't want the little icon sticking out in the front, maybe you have your book open in a professional setting, you're like, yeah, I don't know, I want to really kind of show an icon right now. You can always use the back end of this, which is just flat. And even if you wanted to, you could actually put your own designs on here too, which would be kind of cool. So there's a lot of stuff in here. A whole lot of confetti. It's going to be everywhere forever and always. I'll always remember this box because of all of the confetti that is inside of here. Now, if you're interested in picking this up, this box is actually still available now. You can head over to archerandolive.com and check out the Ticket to My Heart box. This is not a subscription box, and obviously it's a little bit more than just an accessory box as well. You can also use my discount code, which is MENWHOBULLET10, and check out this item for an extra 10% off if you want to go ahead. I'll also have a link for you down below, all the descriptions of everything that's inside of this box too. These are super fun, and if you love unboxings, I have a whole playlist of different things that I'm unboxing, Archer and Olive things in the past, and also other stationery fun as well. Playlist right here for you. Definitely check it out if you want to have some fun, and I'll talk with you very soon. Happy planning. See ya.